All right, listen up, manufacturers. If you're tired of long setup times eating into your production efficiency, then this video is exactly what you need. Today, I'm going to show you how to cut setup time in your production line fast. Let's dive in. First off, start with, by standardizing processes and tools, you reduce variability and confusion. Everyone uses the same methods and equipment, leading to faster setups. Think of it like a racing team. Every pit stop looks identical because it's standardized. Next, let's talk about this Japanese organizational technique is crucial. Sort, set in order, shine, standardize, and sustain. By keeping your workspace organized and clean, your team will spend less time searching for tools and more time getting things done. A place for everything and everything in its place. Another powerful strategy is SMED, single minute exchange of die. The goal here is to reduce changeover time to a single minute. Break down the changeover process, identify internal and external activities, and work to convert internal tasks to external ones. Remember, practice makes perfect. Don't forget the value of well-trained employees who can handle multiple tasks will drastically reduce setup times. Rotate your team through different roles so they become versatile and adaptable. The more skills they have, the quicker they can pivot and execute. Then there's invest in reliable automation solutions. Modern machinery with advanced controls can perform setup tasks more quickly and accurately than manual methods. Consider upgrading your equipment and software to stay ahead of the curve. Lastly, never underestimate the power of constantly review your processes to find and eliminate bottlenecks. Hold regular meetings to gather feedback from your team. They're the ones on the front line and often have the best insights. Small, incremental changes can lead to significant time savings over time, so there you have it. Standardization, 5S, quick changeover, training, automation, and continuous improvement. Implement these strategies and watch your setup times shrink. Faster setups mean higher efficiency, and higher efficiency means more profit. Don't wait. Start optimizing today. Thank you for tuning in. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips on boosting your production efficiency. Until next time, keep striving for excellence.